Fetch Rewards gives points for scanning eligible receipts, which means your earnings depend on the receipts you submit, and the rewards available through the app. By the end, you will know how Fetch Rewards works, what affects your weekly results, and how to decide whether the app is worth using for your shopping routine. The first thing to understand is that Fetch Rewards is built around everyday purchases. You do not need to search for individual cashback offers in the same way as some other rewards apps. Instead, you submit receipts through the app and earn points when those purchases qualify. Your weekly results depend on your normal shopping habits. If you regularly buy products that earn points, you may have more opportunities to collect rewards. If your receipts rarely match available offers, your results may be limited. The second factor is consistency. The app only helps when you actually use it. Make a habit of saving your receipts, opening the Fetch Rewards app, and submitting eligible purchases after shopping. The process is simple. Complete your purchase, keep your receipt, scan it through the app, and check that your points were added correctly. Following the steps each time prevents missed rewards. The third factor is whether the effort fits your routine. A receipt rewards app works best when it takes very little extra time. If you are already buying groceries, household items, or other eligible products, scanning receipts can become a simple extra step after shopping. A realistic review should focus on your own experience. Check how often you submitted receipts, how many points you collected, and whether the rewards felt worth the effort. Another person's results may be different because their shopping habits are different. Fetch Rewards is not a replacement for regular income. It is a rewards app designed to give users points from qualifying purchases and receipts. The biggest advantage is that it can fit into normal shopping without requiring major changes. The biggest limitation is that your results depend on which purchases qualify and how consistently you use the app. If you want to test whether Fetch Rewards is worth keeping, use it during your normal shopping routine and track your own results. Keep using it if the rewards feel valuable for the time you spend. The main points are simple. Your receipts determine your opportunities, consistency affects your results, and the best way to judge Fetch Rewards is by your own experience. Your next step is to scan your next eligible receipt and see how the process fits your routine. If this review helped, like the video and subscribe for more practical app reviews.